As snowflakes fall and the scent of pine fills the air, your front door becomes the first glimpse of Christmas magic your guests will see. It's where warmth meets wonder, a space that says welcome home even before you step inside. From sparkling wreaths and twinkling garlands to DIY door hangers and elegant winter florals, your Christmas door can transform your entire home's first impression. Whether your style is traditional, rustic, or modern chic, every door can become a festive masterpiece that glows with holiday cheer. So grab your ribbons, your greenery, and a little Christmas spirit, because we're about to make your doorway the highlight of the season. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your go-to channel for all things festive, cozy, and creative. In today's video, we're sharing Christmas door decorating ideas, from elegant wreaths and garlands to DIY crafts that will make your front door shine with holiday charm. Whether you're working with a grand entryway or a simple apartment door, these ideas will bring Christmas joy right to your doorstep. What's the best way to start decorating a Christmas door? Begin with a wreath or focal piece. It anchors your design. Choose a color scheme and style: classic red and green, gold elegance, or frosty silver, before layering garlands, ribbons, and accents to complete the look. What are classic Christmas door decoration ideas? Go timeless with a lush green wreath, red bows, and gold ornaments. Add matching garlands around the frame and a festive doormat for a cohesive holiday feel that never goes out of style. If you love classic Christmas decor, give this video a like and share it with friends decorating for the holidays. How can I make my Christmas door decorations look elegant? Use metallics like gold, silver, and champagne. Pair them with white florals, crystal ornaments, and velvet ribbon. The key is minimalism. Fewer, high-quality pieces create a luxurious, glowing finish. What are some DIY Christmas door decoration ideas? Create your own wreath using pine branches, berries, and ornaments. Use recycled materials like old gift wrap or fabric to craft unique bows and garlands. A handmade touch adds warmth and authenticity. Would you rather buy a ready-made wreath or make your own DIY design? Tell us in the comments below. How can I decorate my front door on a budget? Use natural elements like pine cones, twigs, and holly from your garden. Repurpose indoor decor, like string lights or old ornaments, to brighten up your outdoor space without extra cost. What are some simple Christmas door decoration ideas? Hang a single statement wreath or tie a large bow around your door like a gift box. Simple doesn't mean boring. A pop of color and a few fairy lights can go a long way. Check out our simple and elegant Christmas decor playlist in the description. It's full of budget-friendly inspiration. What are creative ways to decorate with garlands? Drape them around the doorframe, twist them with fairy lights, or hang ornaments throughout. For a fuller look, combine faux greenery with eucalyptus or frosted pine. What are the best Christmas wreath ideas for front doors? Try a traditional evergreen wreath or experiment with modern alternatives like grapevine, magnolia leaves, or even snow-frosted wreaths. Add ribbons, berries, or bells for personality. Love creative holiday ideas? Hit subscribe and join the Decor Design Ideas family for more festive inspiration. How can I decorate a small apartment door for Christmas? Keep it vertical. Use hanging wreaths, narrow garlands, or a slim ribbon bow. Add LED lights or a cute Merry Christmas sign without overcrowding your space. What are some unique Christmas door design ideas? Think outside the box. Try door covers with Santa or Grinch prints, or go artistic with hanging ornaments shaped like snowflakes. Even simple details like plaid ribbons can make your door stand out. Check out our Christmas porch and entryway decor video linked below for more creative setups. How can I decorate around the door for a complete look? Add potted evergreens or lanterns on either side of your door. Line your walkway with lights to frame your entry beautifully, making it warm and welcoming both day and night. What are modern Christmas door decoration ideas? Try monochrome designs like all white, gold, or silver. Geometric wreaths, minimalist stars, or lighted LED frames can give your entry a clean, sophisticated look. What are fun and family-friendly Christmas door ideas? Turn your door into Santa's workshop or a snowman face, using felt, ribbon, and craft paper. These whimsical designs are easy to make and bring a smile to everyone who passes by. How can I make my Christmas door decorations last all season? Use outdoor-safe materials like weatherproof lights, plastic ornaments, and artificial garlands. A light sealant spray helps preserve natural greenery too. How can I match my door decor with the rest of my house? Stick to a color theme that flows from your porch to your living room. If your indoor decor is gold and white, extend that elegance outdoors for a unified, beautiful holiday look. Your front door is the gateway to Christmas magic. It's the first impression, the warm welcome, and the heart of your home's festive charm. Whether you choose a simple DIY design, a luxurious wreath, or a fun family theme, every detail adds joy to the season. This year, make your door more than just an entrance. Make it a statement of holiday spirit, creativity, and love. Enjoyed these Christmas door decoration ideas? Hit like and share this video to inspire others this season. Which door style is your favorite? Classic, DIY, or modern? Tell us in the comments. Explore our front porch and entryway Christmas playlist for even more ideas. Don't miss a single upload. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly festive decor inspiration. Watch our videos on Christmas porch decor, wreath designs, and outdoor lighting ideas. Linked below.